Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to drawing something super fun mangoes. Get your paper, pencil and eraser ready for a fantastic drawing adventure. Let's start with a simple shape like a big oval. That's our mango. Draw a curved line next to it, giving our mango its yummy shape. Don't worry if it's not perfect, drawing is all about having fun. Now let's add some colors. What's the color of a ripe mango? Yellow and orange. Use your crayons or markers to make your mango bright and happy. Remember, it's okay to press lightly, we can always add more colors later. How about a little stem on top? Draw a tiny line. There's our mango's head. If you want, add some leaves on the stem, making our mango even cooler. Let's make our mango look real by adding some lines for its bumpy skin. You are doing awesome. Keep going and make your mango unique. Feel free to draw more mango friends or even a mango family. If you make a mistake, no big deal. Just use your razor and try again. Now, step back and admire your masterpiece. You are a mango artist. If you are proud of your drawing, share it with your friends or family. Imagine your mango in a magical world. Maybe it's the king of all fruits. Coloring is like telling a story. What story does your mango tell? If you want, give your mango a name. Drawing is a fantastic way to express how you feel. How does your mango feel? Thank you for joining me on this fruity drawing adventure.